at these World Cup finals. Will we see a third? Because soon, the women's 70 kg finals featuring Uzbekistan's Aziza Zokirova and Arundhati Chaudhary of India, who had knocked out her opponent, Leonie Muller, in the semi-finals a couple of days ago. Something that she brings into the ring. Uzbekistan versus India for a second time. The first round, in a sense, was won by India when Meenakshi Hooda was quite comfortable against Farzona Fazilova. This is looking like it has the makings of a very open contest. Both boxers looking to attack from the outset. Chaudhary with a smile on her face, really enjoying this comeback trail of hers. Last significant event was the Olympic qualifiers in the early part of 2024. And only recently competed in a national level tournament, which brought her somewhat back into some sort of ring preparedness. Zokirova is yet another one of those who's quite young. She's got an Asian silver behind her as well. Comes from a part of the country called Jizke. Just wonder how much it weighs on the mind of the opponent when she knows that your opponent has actually landed a TKO in the previous round. No doubt each of these boxers would have watched videos or kept tabs on their opponent in their previous rounds. Couple of decent punches landed in succession. Aziza Zokirova was a winner against Anastasia Chernokolenko of Ukraine. India with 2 golds already. A silver each for Uzbekistan and Italy thus far in the first 2 bouts. Korea, Ukraine, Taipei, Poland among the bronze medal winners. And of course, with this match, we'll also have a second bronze for Ukraine and the first for Germany. Good fluent first round. Plenty of positive moves from Arundhati. Definitely the one who enjoyed herself a lot more, at least on visual evidence. Aziza Zokirova knew that she was up for a challenge against somebody on the top of her game in terms of what she had done in the semi-finals, and she's just carried on with that kind of momentum as India's Arundhati Chaudhary. Some decent blows landed by Zokirova as well, but the more decisive punching coming from Arundhati, with all 5 judges deeming this first round in her favor. Important for Zokirova to come back into this as soon as possible. But it's Chaudhary who really goes bounding up to her opponent. A great positive body language from the Indian boxer. Chaudhary looking to take the attack, but Zokirova lands a good counter punch. This round seems to be a lot more even. There's a lot better activity from Zokirova. But rounds are won, matches are won, not so much on the rounds or inside the ring, but much more on the judges' score sheet. Those 5 judges are the ones who have to deem it to have gone in your favor. The first round was overwhelmingly in favor of Arundhati Chaudhary, but this one appears to be a lot more close at the moment. Zokirova certainly controlling the center of the ring. Always that angle which gives us the best idea in terms of how the boxers have positioned themselves, how they're using their feet, what is their natural tendency, which arm do they tend to lead with, which do they consider their weapon. It does seem like Zokirova favors that left, while Chaudhary has a bit more variety up her sleeve. Both the left as well as the right quite effective. Is Chaudhary heading towards India's gold number 3 in 3 bouts on the final day of the World Boxing Cup finals here in Greater Noida. It's been a very clean exhibition of boxing, not too many stoppages at all. And at the end of 2 rounds, it's probably a lot to do for Zokirova, for the simple reason that Arundhati Chaudhary is just not giving her openings in this match. This was a lot closer as a round, of course. Zokirova landing a few decent punches of her own, but Chaudhary on balance, definitely putting some substantial blows of her own on, also defending stoutly when required. You shall soon see that reflected in the scores as well, where all 5 judges yet again going with the Indian. Aziza Zokirova now pretty much needs to do what her opponent was able to do in her semi-final, which was to force the bout to be stopped as a result of a standing count. She'll have to land some substantial blows if she wants to reel this into her favor. She started with a frenetic pace. Chaudhary is aware of that, just moving swiftly away from that punching range. I would think a slight height advantage for Chaudhary, and she has utilized it well in this match. It's pretty much at parity, but the Uzbek boxer does go in with a substantial crouch, which effectively gives Chaudhary a little bit of leverage when it comes to moving out of the way of her punches. We hope you're enjoying these matches wherever you're watching from. This is just the 3rd bout, 20 in all today. 2 sessions will be pretty much back to back, with medal ceremonies thrown in as well. It's a day to absolutely celebrate this fine exhibition, fine festival of world boxing, which has come to these parts across the last 5 days. Zokirova needs to do something quite urgent now, but Chaudhary is managing this 3rd round perfectly with a substantial lead, with a little bit of an advantage in terms of overall balance of play as well. Has realized this so well and conserved her energy. Not so much in terms of her movements across the ring, but in terms of throwing punches. It's been very selective, but when it's been there, it's been quite effective. Women's 75 to follow after this. This is the final of the women's 70 kg. The bronze medals sewn up for Ukraine and Germany. India and Uzbekistan fighting it out, and it looks likely that India will have a third gold at the end of this. Uzbekistan a second silver. Chaudhary has managed this quite perfectly. He's closing in on that victory. It will be the end of this round soon. And it does appear that it is another gold for India. There will be official confirmation soon. But for the moment, she's definitely soaking in the applause. The World Youth Champion from 2021 in the 69 kg category. National champion in 2021 as well. Best Asian junior woman boxer of 2018. And what a fabulous fight back from injury. That wrist surgery and everything that came with it, well behind her. And a good masterclass against a formidable opponent in Uzbekistan's Aziza Zokirova from India's Arundhati Chaudhary. In her mind, she's probably preparing a celebration right now.
Result of the bout number 72. The win on point by unanimous decision in the blue corner, representing India, Arundhati Chaudhary.
The lights on her, the spotlights on her, and she's been fabulous.